Welcome to Harper's Playhouse. Today we're going to review the 3D stereo drawing pen. This is pretty neat. It's like a 3D printer.
It has like PVC cables that you put inside.
Where's the rest
the
of it?
pen. They're in the box. Comes with these. Actually, you get a lot.
So you get all these. You stick it in there. It's like a hot glue gun, so to speak.
You get fingertip protectors if you want to use them. Probably for the small kids. You get 2 of those, and you get a charger.
Harper likes it.
And you get a stand. This is the stand. You put it in there.
A UFO stand. And it's got like this little blue LED light robot dude. And he's doing all the work. Or that's for different types of
There's different settings.
settings.
Oh, this isn't big because it goes like very slow.
It turns to hard plastic immediately.
It'd be cool to make different things, like decorations and stuff.
Makes me feel like a professional 3D printer guy. Looks like a whole bunch of ketchup.
I was saying it looks like frosting.
Mmm.
Green,
That's really
gray.
good.
It's really good. Your brother's really good. Say thank you, big brother. You're the most coolest dude ever. He does look like Snoopy, huh? With his ear right there, his nose. Yep, pretty cool.
Oh. It's warm. Oh, it's pretty. He makes this face.
Or is it a piece of hair? Or it's actually a piece of that
I think
stuff.
it was a. I think it was a hair, but it burnt.
Everything's all about hair today.
I know, right? Oh, Harps.
Still what?
What's that song? Never heard it before.
You need that tattoo?
That's like a tattoo.
No, you get a tattoo tonight. I told you, if you behave in the bath, and when I do your hair, that's when you get the tattoo.